good afternoon, good night to everyone who's watching, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, as you see, is regarding Boulevard. I have bought out the Boulevard, few of the cars from Boulevard 2020. This is the Mix A and this is from Mix B. There are a few more here, and sorry, Mix A and Mix C. So Mix B was supposed to come into India in March or April. This was released in March, but thanks to lockdown it never got out of I think customs, so we are getting it now in India, even though we got Mix C before we received Mix B. As you can see behind, the import date shows March of 2020, so it was imported into India in March 2020, but we did receive it now, but better late than never, right? So here we have all the 6 cars. So 6 cars, when I say 6 cars, is including the variation of the Nissan Silvia S15. So we'll go through each one of these. So this set came from miniaturetoyshop.com. You can go ahead and buy, you can check out their website. I'll leave a link below in the description, and also you can contact Avinash. He runs the website. I'll leave his contact information here. You can contact him directly regarding any of these sets. You want this one or the Fast and Furious. If it's available, he will ship it out. And to the set itself, let's start. I have a lot to talk about this car. Yeah, we'll talk about about this one by one. Start this video. As you see, I have some Boulevard cars here. So this is from the Mix A. I like these 3 cars from Mix A, and from Mix C I've been a fan of this car. The GTO is beautiful from Mix C. Now let's go into Mix B. Let's start with the first card. So this is the Porsche 356 Outlaw. So I think I have another premium version of this from the Team Transport, I guess. Yeah, the Team Transport has did release this before. So this is again a beautiful car, a very well made casting from Hot Wheels. So let's open this and we'll take a look at this. Here's the car itself, fully detailed front and back tail lights. The headlights have that X mark. I think it's a rally or a race, this one. Beautifully made, has that hooks for the bonnet to open. The engine is obviously rare. Very well detailed car. You can see the silencer. The wheels are very nice. I don't know what type of wheels these are, but they're actually very good looking wheels. Beautifully made car. I think this yellow one was based on a real car. There's an actual yellow Outlaw in real life. I think it was based on that. Very beautifully made. Again, perfect casting, beautifully made, full detailed. The wheels suited brilliantly. Very nice car. Now moving on to the Silvia. So Silvia, every set has 2 Silvias in it. So the S15 Silvia, these are the 2 cards. So this I think was made for the Formula Drift event. So here you get each one of these cards in one box. So Avi did ship me one box, and here you can see this is number 7. There's no numbering on this. I think this was for an event of Formula Drift, so it might have been made for that. I don't know if that event actually happened, but the car itself is exactly same. There is no difference, like you see. So we'll be opening this card. This one will keep it the way it is. The rear, if you see, also is different. I wish Mattel India did not put these stickers, because it does take it away from the card art. But again, nothing to complain here. We got it for a good price, so for MRP I say. So let's open this and we'll take a look at this one. So the Nissan Silvia S15 has been released multiple times as a premium. I think Fast and Furious sets have 1 or 2, and there is another pearl white car which came in Car Culture. I don't know the exact series name, but even that series also had. That is very beautiful. The pearl white version is very nice. Now here if you see on, it has a different texture. The paint has a different texture. I think the decals have been made differently, but I think this making a car like this is quite difficult, but very well executed by Hot Wheels. You can see Formula Drift in one side in the correct format, and there's a mirror format on the other side. Again, mismatched wheels, the colors are mismatched, red and blue. Again, perfect casting. This is a very beautiful casting made from Hot Wheels. Very nice. Make a nice addition. I like the way this color scheme is. Perfectly suits a drift car. The scheme itself, very nicely made. Full detailing. Headlights are done, tail lights are done. It gets a plastic spoiler. I think the S14 has a metal spoiler. I'm not sure. I think the S14s get a metal spoiler. The S15 gets this plastic spoiler. Very nice car. Let's keep that here. Now moving on to the next one. So the custom Chevy 62 Chevy pickup. So this, I think this was released in the mainline. So I should have that mainline. If I have it, I will keep it next to this. You can take a look. It has a different coloration, but happy that this came out in premium. I think it might have come in premium. I'm not sure, but again, it's a very beautifully made car. Flake, I think silver flake color with that red. It actually resembles a lot. The paint scheme actually resembles a lot with the Pontiac GTO from Mix C. Very beautifully made. Front is detailed, the rear is detailed. It is slammed, so the stands are very low. It has a surfboard on the back. I think you can remove the surfboard. Even the mainline version had a surfboard like this. Full metal treatment, very nicely made. The wheels look very nice actually. Very nice casting. Maybe I'll put the main line now. You can look at it next to each other. It's exactly same. There's not much different except for the color scheme. No detailing obviously. Yes. So very nicely made car. Very heavy also. Keep that here. Now the next one is a 2018 Copo Camaro SS. This is a drag style. So I like the wheels. I think it will look very nice on Gasser. Very nicely made car. Has that stripe right in the between the black one. So definitely a drag style car. You can see the stabilizers in the back, and it has that meshed window in the side. Full detailed front and back. Very nice casting. I don't know if there's a real life. I think this is the 50th. It says 50th on the side. I think this casting was made for the 50th. I don't remember having another car in this format, a Camaro in a drag format. The wheels say Hoser. Yeah, Hoser. Very nicely made car. Hot Wheels. I like the front wheels. I think this front wheel, I've seen it on something else also. I think a Porsche, I guess, in some other set. But again, very beautifully made car. The base is black, as I think many of these are black itself. Okay. I like this black bases. They look clean, look very nice. Okay. Moving on to the last car in this set, the overhyped car that does not deserve the hype according to me. It is just a hype that it's an Agera R. I know people paid a lot of money for this before it came to India, before they thought it will not come to India. I know people who have paid 3 times, 4 times the value of the MRP to get this car. I guess whoever waited for this, whoever thought it might come, or whoever thought it is too damn expensive for what it is and did not buy, it was worth a wait for all of them. Now let's open this and look at why it was hyped. Yeah, just without opening I can tell it is not worth the price. the second-hand market, whatever they were selling it for, it is not worth it at all. Just put a little more money for whatever they were asking for it previously, and just go and buy a Tarmac Works Agera. It'll be more rewarding than what this is. 399 rupees, this is worth it, but anything more than that, I'm sorry, it is just not worth it. Now let's look at this car. It gets a plastic spoiler. Yep, plastic spoiler. The front is detailed, the rear is also detailed. I hate that it gets different sized wheels. I don't think an Agera has so much of variation from the front and the back wheels. I wanted to keep this next to a Tarmac Work, but I don't think the Tarmac actually deserves to be compared with this car. I can tell you this much, that this is worth $399. The MRP it is worth. If you're going to pay anything above 500, it is not worth that money. The car is just overhyped. It was released once before. I think it was released in retro Need for Speed in a very bad looking red color with that weirdish wheels on it. Again, that is also selling for 3-4 grand. Come on guys, it's not worth that much. For 3,000, just put another 1,000 rupees, get the limited edition Tarmac Work if you can find it, or just buy a normal Tarmac Work. There's a white version getting released in Tarmac Work. Just buy that. This is not worth that money. If you've got it for 399, very well done, good. You have that is all this car is worth. But again, for 399, it's a well-made car. Nothing to complain for 399. Yes, if I had paid 1,500 rupees for this, I would have complained. Cool, good looking car, nothing to compare. I guess it's a little too big. I felt it is not how the Agera actually looks. It should have been more sleeker. And the wheels, definitely those wheels, the rear wheel just makes it look more cartoonish. It should have been smaller. Yeah. Okay guys, hope you liked it. Hope you liked my rant on the Agera too. Now that's all I have for this video. If you want this set and if it's still available, you can go to Miniature Toy Shop and see if it's available, or contact Avinash directly and see if you can get it. And that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share, like and share, and leave your comments down below if you disagree with what I told about Agera. I feel this entire set, I would rank it 1, I think 2, 3, 4, 5, the last one. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye.